Today, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online in 2026. For this tutorial, we're focusing on downloaded bank transactions that are still in the For Review tab. In QuickBooks, this is done by excluding the transactions from your bank feed. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, go to Accounting. Then select Bank Transactions. This opens the banking area where QuickBooks shows your connected bank and credit card feeds. Make sure you are on the For Review tab. This is where downloaded transactions appear before they are added or matched in QuickBooks. Now, select the transactions you want to remove from the review list. Check the box beside each transaction. If needed, use filters like Date, Payee, Account, or Amount to narrow down the list. Before excluding anything, review the selected transactions carefully. Make sure they are duplicates, personal transactions, test imports, or items you do not want to add to your books. Once everything looks correct, click Exclude. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an Exclude button or under Batch Actions. Confirm the action if QuickBooks asks you to. QuickBooks will move the selected transactions from For Review to the Excluded tab. If you exclude something by mistake, open the Excluded tab. Find the transaction and select Undo to move it back to For Review. After excluding the transactions, review your For Review list again to make sure only the transactions you still need to process remain. And that's how to delete, or more accurately, exclude multiple bank transactions in QuickBooks Online in 2026.